go from behind her, because her eyes are in the front, so she could see you. But if you go from behind her while she's eating, she can't see you.
Ah! She's picky. She's picky. Dad, are you doing the video for YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh. Put the chickies in the camera. Show them the baby chicks.
We had a surprise today outside. Whole bunch of chicks. We kind of stressed out the mom trying to catch them, but they're good. Look at that one.
Let's go show them the bunnies.
Sticking her head out.
Let's go show the camera to the bunnies.
Okay. Want to go show the bunnies? Go.
Yeah.
Lead the way. I'll follow you. Go to the bunnies and I'll follow you. Sasha's enjoying the shade over there. Hi, baby girl. You caught that little chick, huh? You didn't hurt her. Good girl. Yeah.
If she wants to go with them.
Yeah, you can go in there.
But make sure to go bunnies.
You want to show where you fell? Want to show your knee?
I fell on something.
Tough guy, huh?
Yeah, but I didn't cry.
And you didn't even say ow, did you? Okay, you want to go inside, Anora? Want to go inside?
Let's hurry.
Okay, yeah, you got to hurry because they'll come out.
Dad, this one is Coco and this one is Coco. Coco Bear. Coco Bear. So I can like say Coco Bear. Coco Bear. And Dad, there's baby bunnies.
Yes, yes. Every time they have babies, they dig a big hole, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
And there's babies down there right now.
Mm-hmm.
And
when the clock are they gonna come out?
we have
1, 2.
we have another Brody over here. She's sitting on about, I don't know, about maybe 15 eggs. So we're gonna have a lot of chicks this season. That's a big blessing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that buddy.
Oh, that one's friendly. That's Coco right there. That's the first one
Yeah.
that we've ever. That's who started everything.
Look at that.
Yeah. Coco's nice.
You're so cute. It's between her ears.
What's
This one is between her ears.
what's between her ears?
The bottom dried.
Yeah, it'll dry.
It dried on my skin. Look, bear.
And these nosy guys, they'll just follow you around because they're so nosy. That's a big boy right there.
Dad, look at they're between her ears. This one is a big boy?
No, the turkey's a big boy.
Dad, look at him.
Look at that one, William. He's right behind you. He's like, hey, buddy. What are you doing, buddy?
We're making a video.
Those guys are just hanging out on the bench. Relaxing. What a nice life, huh?
Yeah. Some of them don't know us cause they growed.
They grew.
Yeah. They were babies, but they didn't know who we are.
Yeah. That one's friendly too, Anora. I think that's Coco's baby right there.
That's Coco and that's Coco Bear.
Yeah.
Like Coco Bear. Coco Bear.
Huh.
Oh, this one is between her ears too.
Oh, look at that mouse in the water. I gotta change our water. You see that mouse?
Every time a mouse gets in it.
Well, they want to drink a water, and they drown in there. I gotta go clean that up.
Yeah. Do you want me to hold the phone for you?
Yeah. Can you record, Anora?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
clean her. Why are you sucking your fingers? Put them. Ah! No one. Ah! Don't scare my friend. That one bit me, but it wasn't hard.
Yeah, he didn't. He probably didn't bite you. He just kind of.
Daddy, water! Watch out, buddies! Guys, get you. Look up water. Look what happens. Look at that cute buddy. Are you looking at the camera? They're trying to bite me. He runs away. Back there is the bunny. I'm splashing the water on them. They shake from them. Let's put this in the water. Ollie. Hi. Here, hold the phone now. No. Dad, one bit me right here, but it wasn't hard.
Yeah. You're learning the cowboy game, huh?
But they didn't bite very hard. They didn't bite very hard. They bite gently.
They bit me.
They bit me gently. I'm smelling my shoe. Yeah. I don't get you back home. That one is wet.
Let's not scare them. Because if we keep scaring them, they won't trust us, right?
One is licking the side of him. One has blue, orange eyes. Do all of them have orange eyes or do some? And I saw the white.
Don't be so rough with them, baby girl.
I saw the white bunny with blue eyes.
Yeah, they got all different. They're just like people. All different kinds of eyes and fur.
And the fur is soft. You're so soft.
That one will just sit there 24 hours a day. She won't eat. She won't drink, nothing. She's just all about her business right now. So crazy.
Oh, he didn't let me touch me.
Let's go see if we got any eggs.
Oh, yeah. Let's go see if...
Careful, careful.
No. Go.
Go. You better listen to Anora.
Let's close in the water. I did this for myself. We got eggs right here.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of eggs. And we picked some up this morning too. Oh, there's another Brody right there.
We have eggs.
She's sitting on her eggs too. Let's see. We got 4 right there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What about in there? Is there one in there?
Yeah, right here.
How many?
16, 17, 18, 19.
19. Let's see over here. 19. There's 20. 20. So far 20. And I picked up like 30 this morning. And I found another place they're laying. Let's see if we have anything here.
What is that?
21. Yes, sir. Okay, hold on a second. Let me help you so you don't drop them.
I'm doing it gently.
Okay. Well, okay, let me help you down and I'll put them here. Turn around. I got you. Step down gently. There you go. Now you stand there and I'll put them in your here. Stand right there so I can yeah, there you go. Videotape you. Yeah. Let me do that. I'll pick them up. You just make sure they don't fall.
I'm not. I'm just holding it. The sheep's gonna come in here. Sheeps don't like to come in here.
Okay, so when you're talking about sheep, you don't say sheeps. You say sheep.
I did.
Just one. When you say sheep, it's
No.
no. Hold on a second. I don't want to break them, but let me find one. I'll give it to you. Here, Anora, hold your shirt. Don't let them fall, okay?
Okay. Mine is heavy.
Okay, we're almost done.
Don't put these stones on me.
It's okay. Come here, one.
Don't you have to scratch with me?
Come on. Okay, let's go put those up.
And then let's get the black chicken. Let's get his eggs.
No, we'll leave him. Here, hold on, baby girl. Are you holding out with both hands, Anora?
I'm holding on with both hands. Oh, I don't want to.
Okay, I got your neck. You hold the eggs and I got your neck. How about that?
Yeah. I don't need you doing my neck. There's Jim's here.
You okay, Anora? I got you.
They're jiggling when I walk.
Yeah, we gotta walk gently. All right, let me turn this off.